Guangdong Sindran Intelligent Technology Company Limited, since 2009, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of vending machines. We are located in number 278 Bai'an South Road, Jun'an Community Committee, Jun'an Town, Xuandu District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access and rich resource, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has passed ISO 9001-2015 certification and obtained CE, DOC of FCC, KC, CQC certificates. We focus on every detail, even a gravure during the manufacture, and will never stop to improve the technology and researching for better products. With years of experience in exporting, our products sell well in North America, South America, Eastern Europe, and Southeast Asia. We are also constantly exploring new markets all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking design assistance. You can talk to our merchandiser about your sourcing requirements. Win-win is our business philosophy. Our aim is to offer best service and excellent quality products to satisfy every client. Looking forward to work with you near future and grow up together.